and in this video we're going to show how the construction of the propeller relates to how the propeller might be described. So for example, we could have a two-bladed wooden propeller. So we see here that it's two blades and that the material that's used to construct it is wood. That description could be extended. It could be a two-bladed fixed pitch wooden propeller, which tells us that whatever the blade angle is on this propeller, it is fixed and cannot vary. Alternatively, we might have a three-bladed aluminium propeller. Again, number of blades and the material used to construct the propeller. That could be extended to three-bladed constant speed aluminium propeller. So this tells us that we are able to vary the pitch of the propeller blades. We could have a four-bladed wide chord composite. So the material is a composite, and the propeller blade has a wide chord length. We could have a five-bladed high speed, and the high speed refers basically to this shape here, and we'll be talking about that in another video. A full description of this propeller might be, it's a five-bladed high-speed reversible. Okay, so this means we can go to reverse pitch, feathering. The propeller can go to the feather position if the engine shuts down. It's a constant speed, and it's made from composite material. So the description of the propeller can tell us a lot about how it's constructed. Also in the description is whether it is a tractor or a pusher prop. So this prop here is a tractor prop because it pulls the aircraft along. So as the propeller rotates, it's pulling the aircraft along. The opposite to a tractor is a pusher prop, and a pusher prop is fitted maybe behind the wing or sometimes at the back of the fuselage, and as the name suggests, it pushes the aircraft along. A propeller can then be right-handed or left-handed, and this relates to the direction of rotation, and it is as if being observed from the rear of the aircraft. So in this propeller here, the individual at the rear of the aircraft, he observes the propeller rotating to the right. So as he looks, he sees the propeller rotating to the right. Conversely then, a left-hand propeller would rotate to the left as viewed from behind. So with that in mind, what is this propeller? Well, it's a pusher, and when we view from the rear, you can see it is rotating to the left. So it's a left-hand pusher propeller. So just to show how this all comes together, I've gone on to the MT Propellers website. It is here, and I've looked at the specification of a particular propeller. So MT, so that's the company. The V here, that means it's a variable pitch. So we can vary the pitch of this propeller. 47 Type 1 is the type of propeller. So this includes the number of blades and what it is constructed from. The C here in position 5, the part number, tells me there's some counterweights. So that indicates to me that it is a single acting propeller, and I will discuss that in a later video. The F means it's a feathering propeller. R means it can go to the reverse. The P here relates to the engine manufacturer. So this is the engine to which the propeller will be fitted. In this case, the P is Pratt & Whitney. So there's those dash numbers in the propeller part number. and then there might be another number here relating to the propeller blades. And the number 2 here, it's normally blank, and if it's blank, that means it's a right-hand tractor propeller. If it's not blank, then it's either a right-hand pusher, which would have RD, or it's a left-hand propeller, which would have the L, or it's a left-hand pusher, which has the LD. Just out of interest then, another number here then, this is the diameter of the propeller, and it's in centimeters. Okay, so I hope that shows how the propeller description relates to the propeller construction.